Hi, my name is Karen Perdomo with the Rocco Group at Keller Williams Realty, and I want to introduce you to our latest listing at 7701 Watermark Lane in the beautiful Deer Creek Country Club. This sensational home offers 5 bedrooms, 3 full and 1 half baths, and over 3,000 square feet of living space. Walk in and enjoy the 2-story foyer with a beautiful living room that could be used for formal living, office, or playroom. The dining room, complete with crown molding, picture frame molding, and a beautiful chandelier, is located directly off the family room for entertaining pleasure. The dramatic 2-story family room features a floor-to-ceiling gas fireplace and access through the sliding doors to the rear yard. The kitchen, with an overabundance of white cabinetry, features granite countertops, a desk, and also a super large pantry. Enjoy your outdoor space in your covered patio. One of my favorite features of this home is the beautiful pond views located right in your yard. The master bedroom is complete with a lavish master bath with soaking tub, shower, and a super large closet. Upstairs, you will find 4 large bedrooms with 2 full baths and an open loft that would be great for an additional family room, office, or a great playroom. Deer Creek is a beautiful gated community. Join the club and enjoy golf, tennis, pool, and a state-of-the-art workout center. We would love to show you this home in person. Give us a call at the Rocco Group at 904-204-9494.